Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Yanina if you don't already know me. And today I thought we'd talk about one of the most asked questions on my Instagram, which is skincare. So real quick, in case you guys, I'm working out of a new studio. So if I do look like this, it's because I'm looking at the monitor to make sure that it's still recording. Have to get used to that. But yeah, so it's skincare. If you want to see everything that I do, everything that I've tried, just stay tuned and keep watching. Okay. So I tried to organize this in the best way possible, and I'm going to start with cleansers, what I wash my face with. I always use the Neutrogena wipes. These and the purple ones that are lavender are my favorite. The lavender ones are really soothing, so I really like those. After I do that, I go into the cleansers, and this is really good for if you have acne prone skin. I don't really have acne prone skin, but my facialist Johnny always uses it and swears by it, so I started using it and I actually really like it. A little bit goes a long way. Then I always keep the Neutrogena cool gel scrub in the shower because I take hot showers and I love how it gives, like, I don't know, double thing. But I've used this for years and I really like it. Now another new cleanser that I've been using recently is the skin polisher from Enoderma. My facialist Johnny again gave me this, and I needed a good face scrub just because I feel like my face was acting up, and because of the winter I was getting really patchy here. When I would do my makeup, I would notice it the moment I would set powder. And this stuff I've been using and it's been pretty good. Another really good cleanser that I like, I don't know if I brought it, but it's from MDNA. It's Madonna skincare line, and it looks like this. This is the Rose Mist, which you can spray it all day. But they also have a cleanser, and it basically works. It tells you in the back 1 pump for a light cleanse, 2 pumps if you want a deep cleanse, and 3 pumps if you have makeup on, and from there it starts removing the makeup. So I really like it. It makes my skin feel really, really clean. Another thing that isn't a cleanser but in that sort of scrub situation thing is I got this from e.l.f. It's called, I guess, a brown sugar lipstick, and it literally has brown sugar. I don't know if you can see it, but it has brown sugar on it, and you put it on like a lipstick. So I like using this. My lips are really dry right now because of the weather. And then you grab like a wipe or whatever and you wipe it off. And it's like a good little exfoliating. You could also, you know, do brown sugar, honey, I think it is, at home and mix it. Another thing I really like is masks. If you guys know me, you guys know I'm always trying peel-off masks. I'm trying sheet masks. Any type of mask possible, I love and I will try. So with masks starts lip mask. This I've been using for so long, like, and I still have so much in there. I love this. I always butcher their name, so I'm not gonna say their name. This lip mask is bomb, and all you do is you grab a little bit. I think it came with like a spatula and I lost it. And you put it on. And that's it. I love doing it right before bed. And I just sleep with it. It's actually called the Lip Sleepy Mask. I'll make sure to put all the products that I talk about as well down below. So if you guys want to try them, you can get them. Now, Laura Mercier has a skincare section. And they sent me this a few months ago. And it's really good. The Infusion the Rose Moisturizing Glow Mask is this one. And this is the white one, right? Yep. This is like a white cream. See it? And you just put it on your face for like a good 10 minutes. And then you just take it off. And it just leaves you looking glowing. This one, on the other hand, it's a clay mask. So it's like pink. And this one is really good. You could use it 1 to 2 times a week. It says rinse off with warm water. I love anything pink. I love anything rose. And I don't know, I just really like this. And I really love clay masks. My favorite clay mask is this one. The Origins clay mask is really, really good. There's just a lot. Oh, this one too. This is a good go-to. Can you guys see it? It's a deep clean purifying cleanser and clay mask. So this is kind of like 2-in-1. If you want to use it as a cleanser, you just put it on and you wash off your face. If you want to leave it on, it'll start drying and you can use it as a mask. This is a really good on-the-go type mask from Neutrogena that I really like. Now, this mask, it's a gold peel-off mask. I've actually shown it on my Instagram before, and you just can't leave this on for too long because it says completely dries in approximately 15 minutes. I'm the kind of person that have left it on for like 45 and then you're crying when you're peeling it off. So that's the only thing I don't suggest. But this one does really give you glowing skin and it makes your face a lot firmer. That's probably why you shouldn't leave it on for that long, because your face becomes really firm and it's just a hot mess. And don't put it in your eyebrows because it's not good. This Hydra Boost Water Gel from Neutrogena, I use as a mask, in a sense, but I kind of just leave it. It's like those masks that you're allowed to leave on. And I love the texture of it. I love the way it smells. This is like my second or third one that I go through. And it just feels so refreshing when you put it on, and the way it dries. It doesn't dry oily, it doesn't dry sticky, which I really like for those type of masks that you're allowed to leave on. A lot of the times they feel oily as like time goes, and I don't like it. This Dermalogica charcoal mask is really good for when I have a breakout. Charcoal is really good to just detoxify your skin. Charcoal water is good for a hangover. So I like using this when I see a pimple coming or I feel it or it's already here. I kind of do this mask once a week minimum, and then you could also do spot treatment if you wanted it. I really like it. And then this multivitamin power recovery mask. It's a really good mask if you ever feel dehydrated, if you had a little bit partying the night before. It just makes your skin look really good afterwards. It's like, it smells like vitamins, honestly, but it's like a yellow cream, and you just put it on your skin. It doesn't get hard. It doesn't, nothing like that. It just really just puts vitamins into your system. It says that it has vitamin A, E, C, A, E, C, and F to help recover skin from damage and all that stuff. So, I really like this one. I use this one like not so often, but if I'm ever like, oh Lord, this is the one. That one and the glow mask from this one, if I ever feel like I look dry or anything like that, this is good. So another mask that I've done, I've shown you guys on my Instagram that I've done a clay mask, and it was like the whole magnet thing. And I tried that company and it was really good. I just didn't like that it left me kind of like a white overlay afterwards. That was kind of weird. So MDMA, or is it just Madonna Skin? I don't know if it's MDNA Skin or Madonna Skin. Either way, Madonna Skincare line, they also have a clay mask. And it looks like this. It comes with like a little spatula. The stuff is inside. And then you put it on and then use this tool to take it off. But there's something different. So the difference about this one than the other one that I had is that once you do this and it takes off with the magnet, which you put a sheet over it, then you're supposed to penetrate the nutrients into your skin. And how you do that is you flip it over. So initially you would be taking it off like this, and then you flip it over and there's like this little, do you see that thing right here? So it takes a little bit of time to understand it, but you press it against your skin and it vibrates. Do you hear that? So I really like this. I thought it was really cool. Very innovative. And another mask that I like that you could use as a mask or as a moisturizer is the Summer Fridays. Mine looks very depressing right now. I need to get a new one. The Summer Fridays mask. It's really lightweight. I love that you could use it as a moisturizer, or you could just put it on as a mask. You can do it just under your eyes, which I should probably do some because I'm looking a little crazy because I have no makeup on. I thought it makes no sense to do a skincare video with makeup on. So On summer Fridays, I put it here. Honestly, I typically put it all over my face, but I have to be frugal with whatever I have left right now until I buy a new one. And then with time, I just start looking more and more refreshed. So I really like this. It doesn't break me out. I was really scared when I first got it that it was gonna break me out because I had heard some reviews about that, but to me it didn't. So I really like it, and I like how long it lasts. I don't know, I really like it. What else? Then we go into serums. So for serums, I've been using the face serum from MDNA and the eye serum. I also go back and forth to the IS Clinical. This is the morning serum, and this is the night serum. It's really good after a facial if you have acne prone skin again. It's just, one second. It's just really good. So yeah, so I like using both of these serums, and I switch them up between that and the serums from MDNA so far. I also really like the Murad Recovery Serum. I've posted about this a lot, and I did an Instagram post about it too. It's so good, and the way it dries. And it has this like holographic, you're not going to be able to see it. I don't even know why I'm trying to show you guys. But color to it, I don't know. I really like it. I like how it smells, everything about it. I use it a lot. I was using that up to the time that I got the MDNA, and I stopped using it just because I wanted to try to see how it works, the other products. But I've been using this again the past 3 nights. So for oils, I love this Flawless Skin. It's just very refreshing. You can mix it with your foundation. You can just put it on for like a natural healthy glow. I really like it. So, and it's rose, so and then the last thing that when it comes to like serums and lotions and all that stuff, cleansers, is this Murad Hydration Night Fix Enzyme Treatment. I've been using it for the past like week and a half. I'm not sure if it's out yet. Hopefully by the time this video comes out, it will be out yet. It will be out already. I really like it. I love the texture of it. It's an overnight treatment that boosts hydration, smoothens the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and evens out skin tone for a look that is well rested by the morning. And if you've been following me, you know your girl doesn't really sleep. So everything that makes me look more rested than I actually am, I'm gonna try. Now, for tools. I really like using, bam, it's the Neutrogena acne mask light therapy situation. You put it on like this. It comes with 30 trials. After that, you buy this little guy. Oh, there it goes. You buy this little guy, and it has 30 trials in it as well. I love it. It has blue and pink LED lights. It's great for killing bacteria, rosacea, evening skin tone, all that stuff. So I like doing that while I'm watching TV. Honestly, I just put it on. And I like massaging my face. So you're probably like, what in the world is this? So Neutrogena sent me this. I think they just got it from like, I don't know. Doesn't say the brand. So I don't know what this is. But I've seen a lot of them on Amazon. And it comes with a thing to show you how to use it. Basically, you go like this to sculpt your face. To make your face just be naturally contoured. So I like doing this as well when I'm sleeping. But then MDNA sent me this, and this is like a whole gadget at this point, you know? So I was like, what does it do? And it's basically the same thing, but on steroids. And you could do this. It's so big that you could do it all over your body. It says, it comes with like a pretty big booklet, and it tells you can do it for your arms, you can do it for your abs, you can do it for basically anything and everything that you could think of. I don't know. And I'm like, yes, sculpted face. So I've been doing this. I like doing it just like when I'm watching TV. Just for fun, you know. And then if I wake up looking skinnier the next morning, I'm like, hey, it's working. But yeah, so those are kind of all the skincare products that I really like, that I use, that I've mixed around here and there, or that I'm currently using. I also didn't mention any sheet masks because I don't have any sheet masks right now, but I've been using Face Story. They come and they send you like a whole diverse collection of sheet masks, and I like experimenting with those. But yeah, I don't have any. So I was like, well, I can't really talk about them because I don't physically have them on me. But I really like all this stuff. I've used all this stuff. I stand behind all this stuff. And yeah, I just hope you guys enjoy it. I know a lot of you guys have had questions. I don't go to sleep with my makeup on. That is the biggest thing. I wash my face every morning. I wash my face at night. I clean my makeup brushes, clean my sponges. That's very, very important. And I drink a lot of water. Like, I was never acne prone, so I'm not going to lie to you guys and be like, I used all these products and it removed all this acne from my face. But I do have under the skin acne, and I've dealt with blackheads and things of that sort, and obviously hormonal acne. So this is what helps me keep my skin up to date, especially because I do wear a lot of makeup a lot of the times, whether I'm on set, whether I'm going out to events, or whatever it is. So I hope you guys are able to try some of them. I hope you enjoy them. Let me know if you do try it, and until next time.